Today we'll be talking about building CRM reports using Atlas. If you were on the last webinar, you know that we kind of focused on the marketing manager and talked about goals and frustrations that they have. And today's webinar will be geared toward the marketing manager as well, really talking about specific reports that are going to help them do their jobs more efficiently. So let's say now I want to know who the owner of these leads are. If I click on the plus sign, I can add an additional field. Now I know that the owner name is under a different table. The nice thing with Atlas is we've built some relationships with other tables. If I choose See All Relations, this is going to bring up all the related tables. As a CRM user, you know that it's often very difficult to get to these tables and especially difficult to get the field you need. So we've made it very easy for you. So I know that I need to go to Lead Owning User. And from here, I can find the field that I want, which is the full name of the owner of that lead. I choose that. And then I can go ahead and update my report, and I now have a nice list indicating also who the owner of those leads are. So now let's look at the filter option. So maybe I just want to show leads that have been qualified. So I would go ahead here and add the filter, and I can choose status reason. Then it's going to ask me, how do I want to filter? So if I click on this little cog button, if I wanted to, I could pick a value. So let's say grab the value in cell C3, or with this button, I can look up field values right from CRM. I just want to show those leads that have been qualified. I simply click on qualified. Now if I update my report, notice it's going to get a little shorter. This is going to show me only those leads that have been qualified. As a marketing manager, this is very important. It gives me a better understanding of which lead sources I'm seeing more success with. Also, which salespeople are having more success in getting those leads qualified. Another great feature, I probably also, I want to know how much revenue might come in from these leads. So I can go ahead and add another field. And I know to get estimated revenue, that comes from the opportunity. So again, I need to go to all of my relations, and I need to go down to the opportunity. So lead qualifying opportunity. And from here, I'm able to get to the estimated revenue field. Estimated revenue, I choose that. Come back to my report and update. And now I have an additional piece of information indicating how much revenue I might see from these leads. Maybe I want to group this a little better, so I have kind of it grouped according to what Paulette has in her pipeline versus what other salespeople do. So I can choose to style, and I can do a grouping. So I want to group it by the name of the owner. I choose to do that, and I update, and now I have a nice grouping indicating which leads Paulette has in her pipeline, which one Steve has. Another great feature, maybe I want to go ahead with my estimated revenue and I want to sum that up. So I can go ahead and say I want to have a sum. I go back and update my report, and now I have a total. So Paulette's total of leads that are qualified in her pipeline, 774,000 versus Steve's, which is 321,000. So notice how quickly and easily we were able to add additional features to our report and get additional information at our fingertips.